What is a Rabbit R1? The Rabbit R1, developed by Rabbit, the startup that developed Rabbit OS, is a small palm-sized device that responds to user requests with voice commands. Its core Rabbit 1 is similar to Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to control your music, order car, buy food, send messages, and other features through a single interface. You can do all of this without having to download, install, or run any apps. You must ask the device to perform this function. The company says that the Rabbit doesn't depend on the phone. That's the main reason why Rabbit says his creation has a potential to replace smartphones used in the future. In the presentation video, the company CEO is in the charge of various tests. For example, they show you how you can plan an entire ride, request an Uber, and play a Spotify song without having to install any of these apps on your device. Of course, the Rabbit R1 requires an internet connection via Wi-Fi or 4G to work, although it does not yet support 5G technology up to date. Today is February 8, 2024, so the 5G technology is not supported, but the developers are working to make it possible in the future. Plus, it has a SIM card slot so you can always stay connected. Another innovative feature of the Rabbit R1 is it is a built-in camera, which is not only used for taking pictures or selfies. It can rotate 360 degrees and has a feature that make recommendation based on focus. For example, walk up to the fridge and ask the appliances, "What can I cook tonight?" Of course, Rabbit OS learns a user preference, so it provides more relevant recommendations. The Rabbit R1 also has a smartwatch-like a display, 2.88 inches, make it easy to carry around in your pocket. The company is also working to increase the number of LAM-enabled online platforms, which it hopes to quickly expand functionality for users.